How to use Sol Trading Bot. I'm going to tell you how to use Sol Trading Bot. First, open up Telegram and search for Sol Trading Bot. You'll see it pop up, then just hit start. Once it loads, pin it to the top so you can access it fast. Next, you need a wallet. Tap Wallets. Here, you can either create a new one or import your own. If you create one, it gives you the address instantly. Copy that and send some SOL into it. Start smart just to test. After your funds arrive, go back and hit start again. Now you will see options like new pair bought or new token bought. This is where you can trade new Solana tokens as soon as they launch. When you buy something, the bots also lets you sell super quick. You can dump everything or just part of your bag in one click. Plus, you can check your portfolio balance anytime inside the bot.